What if I told you that a single whale just dropped $2.8 million on a token in 60 minutes because Elon Musk mentioned AI? While everyone's chasing the next meme explosion, smart money is quietly fueling an infrastructure revolution that's changing the entire crypto landscape. Today on Crypto Pulse, I'm breaking down the battle between viral hype and sustainable utility that could determine where your profits come from in 2025. What's up, Moonward family? Alex here with your Monday Crypto Pulse Flash Update. If you're new here, twice a day we deliver the actionable intelligence you need to stay ahead of this crazy market. The crypto market just entered Monday with an explosive sector rotation. Let's dive into what's happening, why it matters, and how you can position yourself for what comes next. Right now, we're witnessing two completely different crypto markets colliding in real time. On one side, Vine token just exploded 118% after Elon Musk teased an AI-powered Vine revival. A single whale dropped $2.8 million in just 60 minutes, pushing Vine to a $150 million market cap. But here's the kicker. There's zero confirmed connection between this token and Musk's actual plans. Meanwhile, something much more significant is happening on the other side. Away from the headlines, L1 tokens just captured a cycle-high 20.67% mindshare as infrastructure middleware tokens surged 21.76%. BNB just smashed through to a new all-time high of $847, not on hype, but on serious institutional accumulation. We're seeing Chinese firm Nanolabs significantly increasing holdings, while daily trading volumes jumped 40%. This isn't retail FOMO. This is strategic institutional positioning. Quick question, which would you rather own? A token that pumped 118% on a Musk tweet with no utility, or infrastructure tokens quietly capturing record institutional mindshare? At the intersection of these trends, we're seeing something fascinating with ZORA, up 26% as their base integration enables people to tokenize their social media content. We're talking 10,000 plus daily content coins being created, proving the creator economy is finally finding its blockchain footing. This isn't speculation. It's sustainable utility that solves a real problem for creators. Let's look at the numbers driving this narrative shift. Bitcoin's at $119,538, up a modest 1.13%, while Ethereum's at $3,187, up 3.10%. But the real story is in sector performance. ICM infrastructure tokens up an incredible 21.76%. NFTs continuing their renaissance at plus 34.59%. Social Fi tokens exploding at 27.09%. Overall market cap stands at $3.88 trillion with $162 billion in 24-hour volume. So what does all this mean for your portfolio? First, we're witnessing a potential inflection point where sustainable infrastructure and creator economies are replacing short-term hype cycles. Second, while Vine's explosion grabs headlines, history tells us that Musk-driven token pumps typically fade within 48-72 hours without substance. And third, the rotation from meme speculation into utility-driven assets signals market maturation that smart money has been waiting for. If you're navigating this market, here's what to watch right now. Monitor Vine's volatility as Musk hype typically fades quickly without substance. Watch BNB's momentum toward the psychological $900 level as institutional flows continue. Keep tracking L1 infrastructure plays as mindshare reaches cycle highs heading into the new week. With Vine exploding on pure Musk speculation, while BNB hits ATHs on institutional accumulation, are we seeing the market mature from meme-driven rallies to infrastructure-focused growth? Is this the rotation smart money has been waiting for? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. That's your Crypto Pulse Flash Update for Monday morning. If this analysis helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more insights every 12 hours. Until tonight's update, I'm Alex for Moonward Capital. Stay ahead of the crowd.